Hello world, I am Raina and I just got the most amazing message. So even if you don't know me, I am here to tell you about the law of attraction and how amazing it is and how it works. I've been practicing meditation and yoga for several years, but just started with the law of attraction, and let me just tell you, it is fucking amazing. So if you already meditate, you already know about how to change what you're thinking about and to use your own thoughts to create your lifestyle. So this is taking it to the next step. So if you have never ever heard of the law of attraction before, what it is first you ask for what you want, then you have to believe it and be open to receiving it. So in our lives, we're constantly in step one, asking. Okay, so that's the easy part. The second part is believing. So that's a little bit harder because we have so much resistance in our lives that we've created and that has been created for us. These can be beliefs, this can be limiting beliefs, things that you don't even think that you can do. You've never thought about doing, things that you've never even wanted to do, things that you're scared to do. You don't know why. You've never even thought about it. This is limiting beliefs. So as you practice the law of attraction, you will just start wanting to do more and more things that you've never wanted to do before. And it'll be so easy. And you'll let go of old desires that you won't want anymore. So the third part is receiving. So that is being in this receiving mode so that you can receive the ideas and the impulses to do the things that you want to do. So sometimes we're so busy, we don't take the time to just stop. Appreciate the moment that just happened. Take it all in. Okay, like we have amazing things happening to us all day long. We're meeting amazing people all day long. Like just take a minute and think about that. Like we are here. We get to experience these things together. Thank goodness we get to go outside of our homes. Like just that being together and socializing is amazing. And I love that. I love celebrating it and just stopping to take those moments. Reflection, that is the biggest key. So when you're meditating, you're going to reach a higher level that you've never reached before. I was asking for a clear sign. I was asking to receive and hear and actually have a clear voice come to me, and that is exactly what happened. I heard my guidance system telling me I want to speak over and over and over, and it was so strong. That is why I'm here today. This just happened to me. I was literally in the bathtub meditating, and I had an amazing meditation. I saw healing things that I've been asking for, and I know that they are coming to me. And now I've seen them so clearly, and I want you to see them too. And my job, my mission, I've always felt that I'm here to help people, but now I've felt it stronger than ever to get on YouTube to tell the world about the power of the law of attraction. And you can do anything that you want to do. And this is my diary. This is day one of telling you about the law of attraction. YouTube, I know that you need this. I know the world needs this, and I know it's going to help you. So if you got to my page and if you are watching this, this is your first step to do some research on the law of attraction. Get into Esther and Abraham Hicks. Check it out. You will not be disappointed. You are having the best life. It's all here for you right now. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I'll see you soon.